Hello students, this is a case based question in linear equation. This year you have a new question pattern, so that Marvel is planning to upload a free case study based question, all the chapters except geometrical construction, and this is one of the example for case based question in linear equation. The given data: a boy enjoying the pizza with his friends and share with them by slicing it. During slicing the pizza, he noticed that the pair of linear equation formed, let this pair of linear equation is y minus 2x equal to 1 and 5y minus x equal to 14. Two linear equation based on this. Okay. Now y minus 2x equal to 1 and 5y minus x equal to 14. Now based on the data, question number 1, the point of intersection of the lines given by the equations. So how to find the point of intersection? Either we can apply substitution method or elimination method. Here the given equation is y minus 2x equal to 1, y equal to 2x plus 1. Substitute in the second equation, 5y minus x equal to 14, 5 into 2x plus 1 minus x equal to 14, 10x plus 5 minus x equal to 14, 10x minus x, 9x equal to 14 minus 5 equal to 9, so x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, y equal to 2 into 1 plus 1, y equal to 3. Therefore, the point of intersection is 1, 3. Option D. Point of intersection is 1, 3. So this is a procedure method, but you can apply trial and error method also. That is by substituting the values in both the equations. Okay. So find the point of intersection of both the lines. This is first question. And second question, the linear equation y minus 2x equal to 1 intersect the y axis at a point. If any line intersect y axis, then what is the value of x? The value of x equal to 0. This is value of x. If any line intersect x axis, then the value of x equal to 0. If you substitute here, y minus 2 into 0 equal to 1, y equal to 1. Therefore, the point is 0, 1. And option B. This is a point of intersection of the line y minus 2x equal to 1 intersect y axis at the point 0, 1. So to find a point, intersecting point on y axis, put x equal to 0. Similarly, for intersecting point on x axis, put y equal to 0. This is second subdivision. And third, the system of linear equations has unique solution, has no solution, has infinitely many solution, may or may not have a solution. For that, first write the given equation, 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, 2x plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. Okay. First, what is a1 by a2? This is a1, b1, c1, a1x, b1y, c1 equal to 0, a2x, b2y, c2 equal to 0. If I compare these two cases, okay, a1 by a2. So what is a1 by a2? 2 by 2. What is b1 by b2? The second coefficient of, that is coefficient of I on both the sides. So this is minus 3 and this is 3, and hence it is minus 1. Compare these two values. From the right side values of first two expressions, 1 not equal to minus 1, which means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, and hence this is a condition for what? a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. This is a condition for a pair of linear equation as unique solution. A pair of linear equation as unique solution. This is a third subdivision. Nature of linear equation, pair of linear equation as unique solution. Okay. Now the fourth subdivision, the value of k for which the system of linear equations has no solution. value of k for the system of linear equation has no solution. First write the equation 2x minus ky plus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. What is the condition? Has no solution. What is the condition for no solution? For no solution, what is the condition? Yes, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So what is a1 by a2? 2 by 3 equal to b1 by b2 minus k by 2 and c1 by c2 3 by minus 1 not equal to. Okay. Now compare first and third value. 2 by 3 not equal to 3 by minus 1. First and third values are not equal and hence first and second values are equal. Now taking these two expressions, 2 by 3 equal to minus k by 2. So 4 by 3 equal to minus k and hence k equal to minus 4 by 3. This is the value of k for which the linear equation has no solution. So very important working rule for no solution. The first and third values are unequal and hence first and second value expressions are equal. By equating first and second expression, find the value of k, where k equal to minus 4 by 3, option B. This is the value of k when the pair of linear equation has no solution. Now fifth subdivision, if a pair of linear equation in two variables is inconsistent, then the lines represented by two equations are dash, intersecting, parallel, always coincident, intersecting or coincident. Inconsistent means it has no solution. It has no solution means it is not intersecting, also not coincident, and hence what is the other possibility? Two pair of lines are not neither intersecting nor coincident means then both the lines are yes parallel, option B. So now you know the technique of how to attend case based question in linear equation. Thank you.